Drum roll, guys. So I am the winner for Yadi 10K giveaway, and I'm number 50. This is what I got, a monitor. So this is my video unboxing my prize. Here we go. Alright, give me a moment, guys. Let me just, in the meantime, guys, while I'm unboxing, please to go and sign up. If you haven't signed up as yet, please to go and sign up. Once you guys refer a friend, you also get a coupon. I think it's a £5 coupon, shipping coupon, which give you a discount towards your shipping. So guys, remember, let me get it. It's a little hard, but I'm getting there slowly but surely. So this is it, guys. This is it. This is it. These are the stand and the charger. And then this is my monitor. Thank you.
You could have a brand new shipping account. You do not need to ship to win. Refer 3 people and participate in the 10,000 giveaway. You could be the next big winner. There are 60 prizes to be won.